Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start with the Morphe concealer in shade C0.0 and apply that on my eyes. I forgot to put a primer on, and we'll see that that is a mistake. We're going to use the Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette and use the shade Password as our transition color. Then we're going to go in with the shade Black Market and apply it all over the lid and blend it into Password. And then we're going to use this Morphe glitter in the shade Flicker and apply it all over the lid and create a nice big wing with it. And then we're going to use a small brush to apply Black Market along the edge of the glitter and smoke that out. Now going in with the Mehron Paradise paints in the color Storm Cloud, I'm going to apply that all over my face, neck, and chest. Normally, if I were to be going out, I would apply multiple layers to make sure everything is solid and even, making sure that it dries completely between each layer. But for the sake of getting it done, I did not. And then we went in with the black shade to do my eyebrows, and as you can tell, I made them a little thick. And then here's me realizing that I gave myself man eyebrows. So I went in with the shade Storm Cloud again to kind of clean them up a little bit and make them look not so intense. Then I'm going to set everything down with a translucent setting powder to help it stay a little bit and to make my shading a little bit easier. Then we're going to use the shade Password again for our contour. We're going to apply it heavily everywhere that we want our contour to be, but then we're also going to take it and lightly apply it on everywhere that there's paint to give it more of a gray look instead of this bluish gray that's going on right now. We're going to blend that up onto the paint, which I was trying to avoid, down the nose, around the mouth like normal. As you can see, since I didn't prime my eyelids, that glitter's coming off and the color's not really staying. I'm going to apply Black Market on my lower lash line and smoke it out. Then apply a black eyeliner to my waterline. Then I'm going to go in with this NYX eyeliner, or any white eyeliner will do here, and give myself a nice little wing. Then I'm going to add a few little details on my face, some lines and some dots. Completely optional, whatever you want to do here would be fine. I almost completely redid this look because I had so many problems with the eyes, but the end result ended up looking pretty good. I applied the Lime Crime Black Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and then I had a hard time putting these ears on, and then I painted them with the Storm Cloud color also. I put on some false lashes that I colored with that white liquid eyeliner also, and I put it on my lower lashes as well, touched up the glitter, and then went in with the Moonchild Glow Kit in the shade Star on my inner corner. And then that brings us to our final look. I really think that this is a very pretty look. It would work well for a Halloween costume, in my personal opinion. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Bye.